Meaning of hives.
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 Hives. The term hives refers to a skin condition characterized by the appearance of red, raised and itchy welts on the skin. These welts, or hives, may vary in size and may come and go quickly. Hives are typically caused by an allergic reaction to food, medication, insect bites or environmental triggers such as heat, exercise or stress. Treatment for hives usually involves avoiding triggers and taking antihistamine medication to relieve symptoms. In severe cases, corticosteroids may be prescribed. If left untreated, hives may lead to complications such as angioedema or anaphylaxis.